These are the 7 best foods for a better orgasm, did you know? The keys to ecstasy may be in your pantry. Fact: your orgasms could be stronger, longer and more plentiful than they currently are. The key to unlocking monster O's may already be in your pantry. Here are 7 common foods for sex that may take you and your partner's enjoyment to a whole new level. Your days of suboptimal orgasms are over. Easy. Eggs aren't just a complete protein. They're a complete boost to your chances of having earth-shattering orgasms. First, eggs are largely protein, giving you long-lasting energy that will help you between the sheets. Secondly, eggs contain a natural chemical called choline, which triggers the production of nitric oxide, increasing blood flow to the penis and the clitoris. What's more, choline is a precursor to acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that controls sexual behavior through its activity in the brain. Having a higher level of ACH has been associated with more frequent sex and more intense and longer orgasms. And if all that isn't enough, eggs' high concentrations of vitamins B5 and B6 help balance hormone levels and fight stress. Orgasms themselves are stress-relieving, so by adding eggs to your diet, you can start a positive feedback loop that could keep you primed for great sex. Aim for 2 a day. The hotter they are, the better. Hot peppers increase your metabolism and stimulate endorphins, making you sweat, plumping your lips, and speeding up your heart rate. That gets blood flowing to all the essential areas. The net result? Better sex and a more memorable finale. If you're planning on handling habaneros, however, make sure that you wash your hands before getting near sensitive body parts. Consuming more healthy fats may do wonders for your libido and have your neighbors filing noise complaints. They're crucial to keeping sex hormone levels where they should be. Snack on walnuts and almonds, and cook with vegetable and nut oils labeled cold-pressed. These retain more nutrients than the heat-processed variety. Cold-pressed oils also contain vitamin E, which is essential to balancing your hormones. See which ones are the best fats for weight loss. Cholesterol has a bad reputation, but it's actually the basis for all sex hormones. Consuming salmon, berries, eggs and dark chocolate will boost your good cholesterol, HDL. When it comes to berries, a study printed in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that adults who ate a cup of frozen berries once a day for 8 weeks saw a 20% increase in their HDL levels. Is there no end to the list of benefits that spinach imparts? Popeye's pick-me-up of choice is loaded with nutrients that can take orgasms to dizzying new heights. Spinach is rich in manganese, which facilitates the production of the female hormone estrogen. A deficiency of magnesium also affects a woman's fertility levels. Spinach is also loaded with zinc, which helps to curb the production of the pituitary hormone prolactin. At high levels, prolactin can cause sexual dysfunction. Zinc is also found in lean cuts of red meat, dark meat poultry, brown rice, whole grain bread, seafood, and crumbly cheeses. Studies have shown that boron, a mineral found in honey, may enhance blood levels of testosterone, the hormone responsible for promoting sex drive and orgasm in both men and women. Additionally, boron helps the body metabolize and use estrogen. Use honey to sweeten ginseng tea, which boasts high concentrations of ginsenoside. Some clinical studies have shown that ginsenoside may help improve erections and increase sperm production and quality. It may seem like a cliché, but science suggests that oysters deserve their reputation as a sex-enhancing food. Shellfish are packed with minerals that are critical components of sex hormones and are also vital for optimal brain and nervous system function. In particular, oysters are a rich source of zinc, which helps nourish the prostate gland and boosts testosterone production. Research has demonstrated that women who eat chocolate daily lead more sexually satisfying sex lives. Chocolate contains a chemical called phenethylamine, which triggers feelings of relaxation, intoxication and pleasure. It also releases mood-boosting, stress-reducing serotonin, stimulates physical contact and lowers inhibitions. But there's more. Cacao increases serotonin levels, which can lower stress levels, boost desire and make reaching orgasm easier, and cocoa increases blood flow where you want it to go.